Hi YouTube. My name is Gail, and this is my current New York City apartment. I begin the process of moving today, so I thought I would document the space as it is now before I start breaking it down. Yeah, it is 270 square feet, and what else is there to say about that? It's a junior one bedroom in Manhattan, and I've been here for 2 years, and it feels like it's time to move on. But before I do, I thought I would document and show you guys how I decided to decorate the apartment and utilize every square inch to its utmost capacity or ability, whatever. So enjoy, and I'll walk you through. So here's my office area. I have my big monitor, some books, a seashell chime that I've made. I try to have as much plant life in my apartment as I possibly can. And this is the only room with windows, so everything is centered around that fact. And then I did install these floating shelves. I wanted something that kind of blended into the surrounding, like it looks like it's just an extension of the wall, so that the pops of color could come from my knickknacks and my paintings and all my stuff. So that is the office space. And then there's my air conditioning unit. Edward Hopper painting. Here's my bed. I have a plant. And then some framed artwork from a trip from Morocco from recently. A side table that is tall enough for this bed. I did get a taller bed frame so that I would have ample storage space underneath. Clearly it's not very organized, but I'm moving, so it doesn't matter anyways. So yeah, that is my bed area with another pop of green on top. And then to the side, I have a pretty sizable closet, but before I open it, I also have this little vanity area. That's typically where I do my makeup because I have the best light in here. More plants, more books, little frames with friends and jewelry, you know, cute little items. Yeah. I call this guy Stumpy. He hangs in there. I've had him for a few years and he still produces leaves. So we should all be like Stumpy. And then this piece I got from a garage sale in New Jersey, and I absolutely love it. It gives me, I don't know, Hercules vibes. And then I have some dried flowers, my journal, little banker's lamp, just trying to give every square inch as much personality as I can, just to make it look more spacious. Okay, so here is my closet. I have pants, laundry bag, shirts, sweatshirts, steamer, you name it. So a fair amount of space, and I don't have any dressers, so everything does fit in there. Yeah, here's another view, bedroom / office. And then you enter through this doorway to the rest of the apartment. And I will quickly cut this so I can move these items. Okay, so we have moved from bedroom area into the rest of the apartment. So here we go. So you walk in and there's a small light fixture, another side table that I used for a plant stand. This is just a scarf that I hung up because I have nowhere else to put it, and it kind of acts as a cute tapestry. And here we have it. I'll start from the kitchen area. So you walked in from here, that's the office space. And here is my dining corner. I decided on a bistro table just to play with height and to give the space more of an airy feeling, I guess. I think it helps that these bases are open concept so that it does look not so cluttered. So yeah, I have a 2-seater. I have a Picasso painting with a nice art light that I was inspired by from the recent season of And Just Like That. If you know, you know. And then over here, I decided to have like a knickknack shelf with also some of my dining or dishware on display, some more frames. This should be over here, more plants, my router, all that good stuff. Old books, my glasses, plants, and this is a buzzer, a very old school buzzer to let people into the apartment. And this also kind of serves as where I put my everyday shoes adjacent to my key hook that also has some of my purses. This key hook I got in Brooklyn, and I think she's very lovely. And not to show off, but I guess I am showing off, I ran the marathon, so there's my medal. And this is the front door. I have this artwork up to hide the electrical panel behind it. And then we have the living room space area corner. I typically, if I watch movies, I'll watch it on my laptop or I'll hook it up to the big monitor in my room. But this area serves really for sitting, reading, listening to records. Yeah, so this is like a 2-seater love seat ottoman. I special ordered this off of Etsy so that the dimensions fit just right there, and it serves as like a side table. It could be a bench as well, but I use it mainly as a side table. And then I have my record collection. I know, I'm not supposed to be storing my records horizontally, but right now I don't really have another option. That'll change. I'm moving, I'll have more space, but I hear you. I know I'm not supposed to do that. And then I have more records in there. This is like my grandpa's knickknack. I have no idea where he got it from. And this is my little New York City snow globe that I keep out during the winter time. Candles, hello. Some framed artwork. I painted this in high school, and this one was an Instagram ad. I love the Twilight Zone. I saw it, I bought it, no regrets. And then this floor lamp, I think, really just grounds this whole space. It divides it nicely from the rest of the room. I love it. It's really heavy. It's pretty old. I got it from Rhode Island. But yeah, that is like the living area. And again, it's like right next to dining space, living area. And then I have a very, very spacious kitchen. A very typical New York City kitchen. No microwave, small stove, hardly any counter space. Please ignore this wire. That's not there. I did add these plant propagators just because there is no sunlight and I wanted to pop a green somewhere. So those just live there and they're sitting in water. And I think it adds like a little life and character. And then on the top shelf, I have some more knickknacks and trinkets to give it character. And obviously, since there is quite literally no counter space, I opted to get a magnetic knife holder. And I also decided to store my spices on the wall just so that the little space that I do have for the counter, I can actually use. Yeah, and then this is like friends, family, sentimental items. It's cute, I think, I hope. And here is the bathroom. Standard bathroom, cute tile floor, more seashell chimes. Again, I didn't want to have like a cluttered look, so I decided to get these wall mounts off of Amazon so that the rest of the bathtub can be clear of clutter. And then I also have another seashell chime, very relaxing. Hold down the flusher, classic toilet, there you go. A nice bootylicious framed artwork. Typically there's a plant there, but it died, so that's that. And then on this wall, I have more mirrors. These are from Amazon. I think they're quite lovely. Little space here. And then vanity, some storage, some more knickknacks. Hello. And yeah, that's like the whole apartment. So again, overview. We have the bathroom. Good stuff. You walk in. Living space area. Kitchen. Dining space. / entryway space. Walk into the bedroom area. Well, office area, actually. And then the bedroom. Yeah. 2 years at this apartment, and I'm sad to be leaving. It's crazy to think that 2 years has already gone by. It almost feels like I just moved in. But it also feels like I'm ready for a new place, and I'm ready for a new chapter, and I'm ready for a fresh start, I think. And also to decorate an entire new apartment, which is very exciting. But for the next week, I will be transferring all of my items. I hired movers. Things are happening. I just have to start. Start with these lovely boxes and a lot of manpower. So thanks for coming. I hope you like it, and good luck with your space. Hopefully this gave you some ideas, or a little glimpse into like what it looks like to live in New York in this day and age. Okay, signing off now. Bye.